The X-Tape One isn't just a measuring tool, it's a digital revolution. This pro-grade modular tape combines cutting-edge laser technology with a sleek, modern design to deliver unparalleled precision and convenience. One of the standout features of the X-Tape One is its modular design. This means you can easily replace the tape module, extending the life of your tool and reducing waste. It's a commitment to sustainability that sets it apart. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a large-scale interior design endeavor, the X-Tape One has you covered. Its advanced laser technology allows you to measure both short and long distances with incredible accuracy, even in hard-to-reach areas. The X-Tape One is packed with features that cater to the needs of creatives. From its clear IPS screen for easy data visualization, to its ability to measure inaccessible areas, it's the perfect tool for turning your ideas into reality. It boasts advanced laser technology that ensures precise measurements even in challenging conditions. Its modular design allows for easy replacement of the tape module, extending the tool's lifespan. The clear IPS screen provides easy-to-read digital measurements, while the ability to measure inaccessible areas opens up new possibilities. The upgraded green laser offers an extended aligning range for improved accuracy, and the app data transmission and storage feature allows for seamless data management. The auto self-adjusting algorithm ensures accurate measurements in various environments, and the Super Opti tracking engine adjusts for environmental factors like dust, mud, water, and tape scratches. Additionally, the incremental measurement feature allows for precise adjustments, and the stainless steel blade is durable and long-lasting. With the X-Tape One, measuring is no longer a mundane task. It's a creative process that empowers you to achieve your goals with precision and efficiency. Dust in workshops and construction sites can be more than just a nuisance. It can seriously impact your health. That's where the Festool Sys Air air purifier steps in, offering a powerful solution to ensure your workspace remains clean and safe. It delivers an impressive volume flow of up to 680 cubic meters per hour, making it a formidable ally in any workspace. Its dual speed setting allows you to adjust the airflow according to your specific needs. By keeping the air clean, this purifier reduces the need for constant cleanup, ensuring a more efficient and productive working environment. The Sys Air features a two-stage filtration system that captures even the smallest dust particles. The cost-effective preliminary filter removes larger particles, while the specially developed Triple V main filter traps finer dust. The Flow Detect system monitors the filter condition, ensuring optimal performance. Built in the compact Systainer format, it's easy to transport and stack with other Festool Systainers. Weighing in at a low, manageable weight, it can be used just as effectively in a stationary position at your workshop or moved between job sites without hassle. By filtering harmful dust particles before they reach your lungs, the Sys Air improves overall health and creates a cleaner, safer work environment. The Ibenstock ERC 350 is a powerful and versatile tool designed specifically for cutting and chamfering pipes with precision and ease. Whether you're working with plastic, cast iron, or other materials, this heavy-duty pipe saw is an indispensable companion for professionals in construction, plumbing, and industrial maintenance. One of the standout features of the ERC 350 is its ability to cut and chamfer in a single operation. This significantly reduces the time and effort required, making it incredibly efficient for large projects. It is built to handle large diameter pipes up to 350 millimeters, making it ideal for a wide range of pipe cutting tasks. The ERC 350 is equipped with an extendable roller carriage, which provides excellent stability and support while cutting larger pipes. In addition to the roller carriage, the support bracket further enhances the stability of the saw, especially when working with larger and heavier pipes. No matter the material, the ERC 350 provides precise cuts and smooth edges, making it an essential tool for professionals who need to work quickly without sacrificing quality. The Sailrite cordless rotary cutter is a game changer for fabric enthusiasts. Its cordless design offers unparalleled freedom and flexibility, allowing you to cut with precision and power wherever you go. This high-powered cutter can effortlessly slice through multiple layers of fabric and other materials, making it ideal for a wide range of DIY projects. From lightweight home fabrics to heavy-duty upholstery and even leather, the Sailrite can handle it all. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Sailrite features an ergonomic shape that reduces hand and arm fatigue, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. The extra-thin base plate glides smoothly under the fabric, ensuring seamless cutting and protecting your work surface. Safety is a top priority. The Sailrite features a blade guard that pivots down for protection while in use, and the built-in light provides enhanced visibility for precise cuts. The trigger-operated sharpening wheel keeps the blade razor sharp, ensuring clean and efficient cuts every time. With 5 speed settings, you can customize the cutting speed to suit your preferences and the material you're working with. The rechargeable lithium-ion batteries provide long-lasting power, so you can keep cutting without interruption. The Ronin Power Ascender is a game-changer for industries that require efficient and safe vertical access. This portable, battery-powered system eliminates the need for traditional climbing methods, saving time, energy, and reducing the risk of injuries. The Ronin Power Ascender enhances efficiency by simplifying the process of ascending and descending to work areas. This allows workers to be more productive and complete tasks more efficiently. Additionally, by eliminating the strain of physical climbing, the system helps prevent repetitive strain injuries, RSIs, ensuring the well-being of workers. The Ronin Power Ascender can be used for both routine access and emergency situations, providing a versatile solution for various needs. It also makes lifting heavy loads easy and efficient, whether you're moving materials or conducting rescue operations. Powered by a battery system, the Ronin Power Ascender is highly portable, allowing you to use it on various job sites without the constraints of power cords. The hot swap battery system ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the day. Moreover, the Ronin system offers precise and delicate control for moving loads, ensuring safety and accuracy in even the most challenging environments. Built to withstand the demands of professional use, the Ronin Power Ascender is designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. It can safely move people or materials up, down, or horizontally. It offers a safe working load of 400 pounds for single-person ascension, 600 pounds for two-person rescue, and up to 1,600 pounds for material hauling. So there you have it. 5 cool tools that will definitely make your projects faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome tool reviews and tips.